Alexa, start self-destruct sequence now.
Self-destruct.
So we did actually make an Alexa self-destruct. Hey guys, it's Jesse from Passfire, the channel for fireworks, travel, and more. And today we're going to be doing something in the more category. This is going to be a video about Amazon Alexa. Just had a nice Christmas. I got one present left. I have a suspicion I know what it is. And yes, this is what I thought it was. So, a friend of mine actually got this for me. It's an Amazon Echo Dot. To be honest, I'm not really into Alexa or any sort of AI helper. Should be kind of fun to check it out, so why don't we go do that. Okay, so I'm out here with my new Echo Dot. I'm going to just open this up. And as I said, I've never used one of these before, so let's see. It's got a little packing on there wrapping our power here. It is wireless, it works on Wi-Fi, but it does need power, so plugs into the wall with that. It's basically just a ball. It's got a couple jacks. That's for power. That's your audio out, like if you want to hook it up to bigger speakers. It's got a speaker built in. Volume controls, plus and minus. That's your mute button, so you have privacy. I guess Alexa does record what you say, and those do get uploaded to the cloud. So it is actually storing your words on the internet. So pretty straightforward. I guess the next step is to get the app set up and get it activated. Here it goes, the blue ring. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 2:40 p.m.
So this is a Bluetooth enabled light. This is a nice library lamp, and I'm going to replace this bulb with this smart bulb here, and we're going to see if we can turn that on and off. Alexa, discover my devices.
Starting discovery. This will take a few moments.
Alexa, did you find anything? Try to add this LED light bulb, so I went into the More menu on my Alexa app. I'm going to add device. Here's my voice history apparently. Records here is saying audio is not intended for Alexa, but it did record it. Says that right here. Anyway, let's get back to what we're doing.
There's an update for this device. It will take about 30 minutes to install, and I won't be available during this time. Should I go ahead?
Yes, Alexa. Alright, well, I guess we'll take a 30-minute break while it's doing that. Alright, so it's been, I think, more than half an hour. Let's see if Alexa is up to date.
This device is up to date.
Good. Alright, so Alexa's up to date, so we should be able to get this to communicate now with our light here. Oh, something just happened. Alexa, turn off first light.
Okay.
That's kind of cool. Alexa, turn on first light.
Okay.
Alexa, count down from 10 and turn on first light.
Okay.
Alexa, rename first light Bob.
Okay. I've renamed first light to Bob.
Alexa, turn off Bob.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on Bob.
Okay.
Rename Bob self-destruct.
Sorry, I don't know that, but you have self-destruct sequence enabled. Do you want to open it?
Yes.
Here we go. This is it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We made it.
But Alexa, if you're supposed to self-destruct, you're not supposed to make it. Alright, we're going to have to do something about that. Now I've got this smart plug. This can control, any AC appliance, so there's a lot more possibility with this. So let's lend ourselves something here. Alexa, turn on Timothy. Alexa, turn off Timothy. Well, I don't think it can hear me. But that was cool. Turned on my blender, and now I've got some sort of blue juice here. Yummy. All right, well, that's pretty cool. Alexa, turn off Timothy.
Okay.
Thank you, Alexa. So I gotta admit, I was not that excited about Alexa. Really didn't like the fact it was recording everything, but this is kind of fun. This is pretty neat. So, you know, now that I've got the smart plug hooked up, what else can I do? And, you know, I was just remembering, like, this thing. Alexa, self-destruct.
Here we go. This is it. 10, 9, 8, 7,
See,
6,
so this
five,
is what I was thinking about,
4,
right?
3,
Well,
2, 1.
that's fun, but can we have it turn something on? Can I have it turn on the blender instead? Alexa, turn on the blender when you initiate the self-destruct sequence.
I don't know that one.
Well, I guess we'll have to teach it. I have been having fun with something called routines. Basically set a little program so I can have it make a sound first, say something, and then turn this on. So let me show you what I've done. Alexa, start self-destruct sequence now.
Self-destruct. You have 10 seconds to reach minimum safe distance. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you.
And now, it turns on the blender. Alexa, turn off Timothy. Now it actually does something when I ask it to self-destruct. And now, since that's hooked up to this, I wonder what we can figure out. Okay, so we got our Alexa set up with a smart plug. That really got my juices flowing creatively, because if we have a smart plug and you can activate things with it, there's a whole world of stuff you can control. And then earlier we were playing with the Alexa self-destruct thing, which was pretty fun, but pretty disappointed Alexa can't actually self-destruct. So we got to thinking, what if we help it a little bit? So we set this up, a system here that is going to be activated by Alexa. So when we say Alexa self-destruct, it's going to initiate this sequence that ultimately activates the smart plug, and that is going to power on this hedge trimmer. Now this is an old school hedge trimmer. It's AC, plugs in. It's got a trigger lock on it. I don't even know if they put those on hedge trimmers now or not, but you can basically lock the trigger in the on position. That's what we've done. Meanwhile, we've got this little string here right through the teeth. As soon as that turns on, it's going to snip that. That's going to release this cinder block, which is going to fall and smash into this other cinder block, and we're going to put Alexa right there. And I think it's going to get squashed like a pancake and self-destruct. Because the beautiful thing is, Alexa is going to initiate this entire chain of events by itself. We got this nice sturdy ladder here. We got an aluminum pipe up there just to tie everything together. And this drop here looks to me about 2 feet, but we'll measure it in just a second. So we're gonna put Alexa right here. And you know what? That was a 24-inch drop from here to here. I wanna make sure we do this right. So we're gonna give ourselves just a little more fall room. And we're gonna add that in, and that 28 inches from the cinder block to the dome piece on Alexa here. So I think that's going to do something. Okay, so we're at the big moment. We have our Alexa, it's muted right now. We have our smart plug we've named Timothy. So we're going to place Alexa on the block, right below the cinder block. And then we're going to plug in our hedge trimmer to here. And we programmed a self-destruct sequence that is different from the regular Alexa one. We're gonna see what happens when Alexa actually self-destructs. Unmute Alexa. We have it all connected. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 5:28 p.m.
Alexa, initiate self-destruct sequence.
I'll start the self-destruct sequence, but only on the understanding that you dramatically cancel it at the last second.
No, we're not canceling it. Alexa, start self-destruct sequence now.
Self-destruct. You have 10 seconds to reach minimum safe distance. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Thank you. Three, two, one. Thank you.
Well, Alexa, I don't know if it survived. Alexa, I think Alexa might be deaf now. So mission was accomplished. I mean, this didn't get smashed to pieces, but it is broken. We tried talking to it, we tried getting it to respond. It does not work anymore. So we did actually make an Alexa self-destruct.
Thank you.
This is pretty cool. So we're gonna go get another one, and we're gonna make another video, and we're gonna see if we can get it to really smash next time. But in the meantime, since it's broken anyway, we might as well just smash it to pieces. So I'm gonna put it back here, and we're just gonna keep dropping blocks on it until it falls apart. Did Alexa smash? The cinder block is in pieces. Alexa is no longer round. It's pretty flattened, but this thing is actually pretty tough. Like, that didn't smash completely to pieces. The block went first. Well, looks like the Alexa is tougher than the cinder block, but quite a bit of metal in this thing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Pass Fire, fireworks, travel, and more. We'll be back pretty soon with another Alexa and a more creative and effective way of teaching it to self-destruct. Click to like and subscribe.